Hi there, I'm going to walk you through a quick demo of the RockNTix ticketing app. When you first open up the app, you'll see My Pulse there at the top, which is our proprietary engine which presents events to ticket buyers based on their location and preferences. And for event creators, the benefit is that their events are going to be presented to fans that are most likely to buy tickets from them. And at the bottom there, you'll see trending events. And at the very bottom there, you'll see the navigation. So for example, buying a ticket, let's say we select Tribute Halloween Party. It provides the details. It also has get directions. So when you click that, a Google map will pop up and you'll be able to get directions from your current location. At the top right there, you can favorite event with the heart there, and you can also share an event to social media. So let's say you want to get tickets. It'll show you the different types of tickets. General admission, let's say we're going to buy 2 and we're going to buy 1 early entry. You continue. You can review and confirm your purchase. General admission times 2, early entry, and service fee times 3. Because you're buying 3 separate tickets and we only charge a $1 service fee per ticket, so that's a total of $3 and it's a total of $58. And then you continue to your payment, which is through the Stripe checkout. You can view details just to recap. And then you can go ahead and pay for your event. And then you'll see that it was approved, and then it'll automatically take you to your My Tickets page, and it'll show you the list of all tickets you have upcoming and completed. You can click View Ticket to view the QR code, and it'll show you at the bottom there, general admission times 2, early entry times 1, and then you will take this and show it at the door or the respective station at the event for the ticket scanning staff to scan your ticket and allow you to come into the event. They'll be using the RockNTix check-in app to scan tickets. So let's say you want to set up an event. It'll show you your current events right now that you have upcoming. You can create a new event. It'll ask you whether it's free or paid. Let's say we're going to do a paid event, and we'll call it DJ Night. We'll do it at Tribute in Hollywood, and we'll pick a location, and then the Google map will pop up, and I'll just type in Tribute, and it'll pop up in the drop down, and then you can select a category, music, and continue. You can select a date. For this one, let's say it begins on the 1st and ends on the 2nd, early in the morning, starts at, let's say, 8 p.m. and ends the next morning at 2 a.m. And for the event description, all you need to do is click, you can obviously enter something manually or just click Use AI Description, and it'll automatically write a polished event description based on the fields that you entered. You could always manually update that, and then you need to enter a refund policy, so we'll say no refunds. And also at the bottom right, you'll see a chatbot icon. You can click that anytime and ask it any questions regarding your event, regarding a type of venue that you need if you don't already have one, optimal dates, prices, promotion strategy, etc. And it'll make suggestions based on your questions that you can copy and paste into your event. So we'll continue here, and you can add your ticket types and pricing. So we'll keep general admission, and you can always edit that yourself. And let's say we have 10 tickets and they're $10. You check the green box, and then we'll say here, early entry, admission, and let's say you have 20 tickets at $15. And then we'll continue there. And then you can add pictures, and I just added one here. And so then it provides you with all the details of the event. And you can publish your event. You can always go back and edit as well. And then it'll remind you at the bottom to make sure your staff have downloaded the RockNTix check-in app so they can scan tickets for your event. So you see right here, we have our DJ Night event. You can click on it and you can edit it if you like. And you can also freeze the event in case you want to pause ticket sales. Also on the top left, you have your menu, and you can view your current tickets that you've purchased, your favorite events. In settings, you can edit profile, email, password. event preferences, notification. You can also access your creator dashboard. So if you click that and go to My Events, it'll show you all your events that you have listed. And you can go in and click, like, let's say, for example, New Music Night. It'll show you your event, and it'll give you the event analytics for each type of ticket, like general admission. You've sold 10 tickets. There's 5 remaining. 4 attendees, which means they've already scanned at the door, and the conversion rate. And they'll do that for every type of ticket. It'll also show you your gross revenue at the bottom there, and it'll remind you that Stripe processing fees will be deducted from that amount. And it'll also show you the ticket buyers, and you can export a CSV file to create a mailing list so you can keep in touch with those folks that have purchased tickets from you. So now I'm going to go back to settings and also show you the login to Stripe here at the near the bottom. And so that's your Stripe account that you set up that's connected to your RockNTix account. It'll show you the money that you have outstanding, your earnings. So here's your recent earnings, the total balance. You can see details, when it's expected to arrive, and all the types of analytics associated with your event. So that is the quick walkthrough. Thank you so much.